Because I think if you're really thinking about saving your capital and saving money, that's a great thing. A better thing is to save that money and then invest it. If you think about developing passive income, you're really thinking about having multiple streams of income. So there are a few ways to do that. First, you could buy stocks that have dividends. That's going to be really dependent on how much capital you can deploy. The same thing goes for real estate. And if you were able to buy real estate, that generally has a lot higher returns. In fact, if you think about the stock market and what the real estate generally does, you typically see double the returns on levered properties, but it's a lot of work. So if you don't have the time, you really should look at potentially crowdfunding sites like Touzi Capital and CrowdStreet that allows you to buy fractional shares of real estate. That gets you passive income streams at a very nice double-digit range and give you a feeling of what it looks like to have a renter income coming in every month. So I would really encourage you guys to look at how to first build your capital and then deploy it and invest it and save it. Because I think if you're really thinking about saving your capital and saving money, that's a great thing. A better thing is to save that money and then invest it. Because if you're investing it, it's earning, and that's going to get you to the next level of understanding how to become a professional investor, which is where everybody should be ultimately in their lives. Thanks guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I'm going to be working on more weekly content, so please like and subscribe and set your notifications for alerts, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye. This is really for you guys. I really enjoy making complicated things simple. So if you enjoy that too and want to find really actionable, simple ways to find passive income and financial freedom, stay tuned for more. Take care.